केशे पंचायतीक फंड नाशिल्ल्यान कामां अडकल्यात. 15 दिसां भितर फंड आयलो ना जाल्यार पंचायत बॉडी आनी लोक खंय हंगर स्ट्रायकार वयतले.
ग्रामसभा रेजोल्यूशन पास केला. इफ सपोज फंड्स जर आमकां रिलीज करना जाल्यार आमची आखी पंचायत बॉडी आनी आमचे गांवचे लोक हंगर स्ट्रायकार वयतले. इफ सपोज ते पयशे दिना जाल्यार.
So because it's already 6 months past, the director has passed the order. He has given the instruction to the Kortali Panchayat, which is where the fund is credited. So since director has given them the order, so they have to release the funds. So far it has not been taken, and our body, this Panchayat body, has also requested the director. Okay, so far she is unable to provide the funds. So now within 15 days, no action has been taken, then we are going to sit on the understand.
लोकांक गांवात मिनी इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट आयिल्लो नाका.
The NOC which was given by the previous body has to be revoked. It has to be revoked because nothing remains on that. There is no permission at all.
But Panchayat Minister had said something just now.
Yeah, the Panchayat, I don't understand now why the Panchayat Minister has to make a statement to have this. His own government has withdrawn the permission. And how come the Panchayat Minister can say that whether we want a mini India Park or not? How can he say? Because the government themselves have withdrawn the permission which has been given by the IBB. So there is no question of a mini India Park coming in Quelossim.
पंचायत मंत्र्यान येवन खंय लोकांक प्रोजेक्ट कितें तो सांगचो.
पयलीं ग्रामसभा म्हूण सांगले ना लोकांक सांगले आमच्या मिनी इंडिया प्रोजेक्टाचे इश्यू आसा ग्रामसभा तो डिस्कस करता म्हूण. तेका लोक फुडें येयले नासतलो आनी थोडो लोक आहलो तेणी पासून त्यो ग्रामसभा ते मिनी इंडिया प्रोजेक्टाक ओपोज केला. आनी पंचायत मिनिस्टर म्हाका सांगता, हांव पंचायत मिनिस्टर फुडें तेन्ना गेले तेन्ना तो म्हाका सांगता हांव खंय लोकांक कन्विन्स करूं अबावट दॅट मिनी इंडिया पार्क. हांवें लोकांक कन्विन्स केले पूण लोक रेडी ना. लोकांनी ओपोज केला, ग्रामसभाकूय ओपोज केला. आतां मुगे तर आयकनाय लोक. आतां बेटर पंचायत मिनिस्टरान हांगा येवन लोकांक कन्विन्स करचें आनी कितें रिजल्ट कितें तो तेका मागीर मेळटलो.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.